This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Vandergraaf. Visit vandergraaf.com to learn more about how their advanced drum motor technology reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.
I think 2024 will be fairly flat to up in different areas of the country, but I think the biggest challenge will be labor. Just everybody looking for the same people to do very, very difficult jobs.
Purely speculation at this point, obviously, but the only thing I would say is that we would see different is we'll continue to see strength, we believe. We think there's a pretty consistent demand for their product. I would not be surprised, though, instead of companies continuing to expand their existing facilities, that they might not start really focusing more in the acquisition mode. So some consolidation I would be expecting this year.
It's going to depend what kind of regulations they're going to put forward. Because we all live and die by the regulations they put forward. If the regulations are very strict, then the industry is not going to see the growth that we've seen in the past. I'm hoping it's going to increase. And speaking with the other producers, everybody's expecting the first half of this year to slow down a little bit, but it will pick up in the second half.
Well, I mean, I think what we're looking at, obviously it's an election year, things tend to slow down there, but it's been so long since we had a road bill, it's kind of interesting to see what's going to happen. As of right this moment, we don't see it accelerating, but we don't see any slacking off. So we're hoping for flat so we can get caught up.
I anticipate from what we're seeing from conversations with these customers that the growth is going to continue. It seems to be that the funding is still out there to keep the projects going, the road projects, that type of thing, to maybe offset any slowdown in the commercial side. But there's indexes out there that saw some of the commercial slow down, but then it's picked up again into the new year. So the momentum looks favorable.
Well, the election year, of course, is going to dictate a lot. I think there's going to be continued IIJA money to flow. That will kind of start to trickle down. So maybe mid-year we might just see some softening. But certainly as we go into November, December timeframe, there's going to be some uncertainty, and there might be some pullback as we move into late 2024, early 2025.
I think an election year has always traditionally been something where producers have put their hands in their pockets sometimes and just waited to see how things go, and either way. And what we're seeing this year is a little bit different. I think there's some tailwinds that we've got right now, and some of that could be a boomerang from COVID, where folks are just catching back up and optimizing some plants, and we're seeing a lot of 2023 momentum carry over into 2024, and producers seem to be excited right now. I think cautiously optimistic is a commonly used phrase in our industry, but we're tickled with things right now, and we see things continuing to be explosive for us in 2024.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. To learn more about how their advanced drum motor technology reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments, visit vandergraaf.com.